We are here at the 801st Red Horse Training Squadron's Tyndall Silver Flag site for the Combat Support Training Range Proof of Concept. And we are here this week with 2 units, the 78th Security Forces unit out of Robbins Air Force Base and the 96th Security Forces unit out of Eglin Air Force Base. And we have 2 13 Airman squads. And what we're doing here this week is doing what we call a proof of concept or a beta test of the sister concept, the Combat Support Training Range concept, and that is unit-led training.
The area out here, as far as it applies to combat support training ranges, is it affords units a playground to come out and practice their full scale of military operations utilizing equipment that's not readily available at home station. It gives airmen an opportunity to train with equipment in austere environments, developing their own lesson plans, developing their own mission essential tasks for the training scenarios and training events.
Anytime you give students, NCOs, airmen an opportunity to come out and just train for a set amount of time, they get that opportunity to shift their mindset and kind of place themselves as real world as you can in an environment, right, that simulates what they would be doing in a deployed location.
All your vehicles are disabled.
This training opportunity is unique, and I think the airmen that haven't gotten to deploy, or even the NCOs that haven't gotten to deploy, have really appreciated it. This is a very good opportunity for them, and they've had the right people leading it.
Because we start rolling into the AFRIGEN cycles of deployments, this definitely gives those units that need the support the opportunity to transport their airmen and their NCOs to a specific place where they can, again, right, tie in specific objectives and get that training that is needed that they cannot do at their units.